Hi friends, good morning. So here now we'll see the image button. So last session we'll see already that image views. Now we will see the image button. So in the same project, just I'm taking the image button. So in the buttons, so there is a button, image button. So I took that image button. So for the image button also, so like if I select this image, means on the top of the button, it should display as an image. See, even though if I select here, this is also coming from the tools SRC component. But in a last class itself, I told this you need to map it from the Android SRC because that won't be displayed on a mobile. So now, so we map download. So like this, you can create this. Now, for this, we will apply the list. So simple way, already that data binding and everything is enabled. So here I'll download. So this is so image button dot. So set on click listener. So set on click listener. On click listener. So once we'll apply the on click listener, here I'll put that binding dot. So TV dot. So TV dot text. So just we'll assigning some text. So here I'm writing that you clicked on image button. So just like that I'll write. So done. I'm running this. We will see this output. So simple, similar as a button example, but on the top of the button, instead of displaying the text, here it will display the image. So we'll see this output now. It is running. So it is launching. If I'm clicking on click on image. So like this. So this will work like this. Okay, just if you want the image size, you can reduce automatically. It will reduce, or you can see here. If you want specific, you can match. You can change here. For example, like this image size will reduce. See, automatically it will reduce. Thank you.